In this video, I show you how to download and install Valorant Beta on PS5. To download and install Valorant Beta on PS5, first head over to the official Riot game website. From here, register to gain access to the game on their respective console devices. Once you are on the official Valorant page, scroll down to find the console launch banner. There is a button that says Register Now should be visible. Click on that. This will further take you to the main registration page, where you must click on Registration Now once again. The website will now ask you to either sign in from your existing Riot Games account or create one if you don't have it. To create one, simply click on the given option and follow through the guided prompts. Signing in will officially register you to the Valorant Limited Beta for consoles. Once registered, the player can sign into their console devices to download and install Valorant Beta on PS5. The process is rather straightforward and mimics downloading just about any game available to play for free on consoles. To download and install Valorant Beta on PS5, sign into your console device and navigate to the PlayStation Store. Now click on the search bar and type in the name Valorant. This should bring you to the Valorant Limited Beta. Download it from there and install that. You may find the game in your library next. Click on that, sign in, and begin playing. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thanks for watching.